we last left off, I had successfully done some test pulls out of the basement, but now it was time to move on to the bigger machines. I started with the lathe, which weighs in around 600 or 700 pounds. I pulled the power head up by hand, which was not a whole lot of fun, then loaded the main body up onto the dolly, destroying a light bulb in the process. As much fun as the hand winch was, I decided to upgrade to an electric version from Harbor Freight. I mounted this on a 6x6 beam, and attached the entire Cranebow to the recovery points on the front of the truck. The remote control was super handy, and to ensure that the load was parallel to the winch, I added an extra
Snatch block.
With the help of my father-in-law, the pull went without a hitch. I did learn that the backup sensors don't cover the top of the truck. I then moved on to the bandsaw, laying it down on its spine. And then doing a 320-point turn. I further augmented my setup with full lifting straps and a more permanent bar to attach the extra snatch block, plus some extra tarps to protect me from the rain. It was a considerable amount of work just to stand the thing back up, but I got it done. With this accomplished, it was time to move on to the jointer.